Right, let's start a brand new topic and a brand new programming language. This is Visual Basic using Microsoft Visual Studio. First thing, once it's opened up, don't worry about what's on the background there. We're going to go File, New, Project. Okay, now you may well find that it starts up and it's on something else, for example, C#. You'll also see that on the right hand side it will say here it's saying C#. We don't want that, we want Visual Basic. So on the left I'm clicking on Visual Basic. Leaving it on the top bit there, don't be tempted to look through these and try and find the right bit, just leave it on Visual Basic. And you are looking for something called Windows Forms, which is here. So it's things to look for, Windows Forms and Visual Basic there. When you've done that, we're going to call this Hello World. Just going to write a 1 there. Now, be careful in the location. You want to make sure that that is stored in your My Documents or an appropriate area. So certainly in school that will be the N drive, but if we browse, yeah, this is a Windows 10 machine, so I'm going to this PC, and from this PC I am finding at least my area, which is okay. Now, so I've placed it there, and I'm now going to click OK. So the things to note here is I've chosen Visual Basic, I've chosen Windows Form, and that says Visual Basic. I've given it a Hello World, don't worry about the 1, that's just for me, and I've placed a suitable location into my Documents, and I click OK. Right, it'll take a moment or two to build this project folder. Okay, that's built, and we can see a blank user form here and different elements. The other thing we can see, if I open up My Documents now, you can see it's created a folder with the same name inside it. There's my project, and inside this folder inside there will be all the other bits and bobs the project will need to work and build. Okay, we'll come to that later. Right, that's exactly what you should have. Now, to start with, I'm going to save this now, and we save by using that little button there. It's a save all. Even if you've never encountered them, those represent a couple of floppy disks. So I'm pressing the save all, it doesn't hurt. Right, I'd like you to do the same, and away you go.